So here we go, ready to go with Quack session number 1 and the very first question that we have. So here we are. This is the first question. The first question is, hello, is there a way to automatically subscribe someone to a funnel the moment they buy a course? I ask because I have a welcome email sequence funnel that I want people to get subscribed to the moment they buy a course from me. Well, this is a really easy one to answer. So I'm going to give this a 1 quack. Let me find my quacker. 1 quack. Now, I can see the confusion in it. I can understand why people are getting a little bit caught up in it. They're on their system. So let me just share my screen. So my screen is, where are you? Share my screen. So we're in here. We've gone off. We've gone into our site. We've probably made a marketing funnel, because that's the type of thing that you're thinking of as a sort of a welcome sequence. That's where you've done it. You've come in here, you've made a funnel, you've gone in, right, okay, I want to get them subscribed here. This is my welcome funnel. They've bought my course. How do I get them automatically in there? But the answer is actually simpler than that. So when you go into a course, so let's just say they're in this course here. That's the one that they've bought. They've gone through our pages, etc., etc. We get to set up an automation, and we have a sequence here called enroll email sequence. So this is when people enroll, they automatically get put into a sequence anyway. So, but they do it for the course. Now we can incorporate the ones from elsewhere. So we can just move those emails over into this sequence. So it's really easy to do that. We can just add in whatever we want. So we can go in. The first thing you need to do is go and edit your sequence. So this is your email that's going out. This is your details. So send email after 0 hours from enrollment. So it's immediately once they've enrolled, they're going to get this email. That's who it's from. You're going to personalize it. This is the course you've just bought. Have a read of this, because you need to delete some of this out. So this top bit you need to get rid of, because that's just our instructions to you on how to do it. And then you've got thanks for enrolling, blah, blah, blah. Personalize this. It's a bit, but you get the point. So you've got that already. Okay. Then you've got the second one here, which is just, there's nothing in it. I've just added that in. I've just created a new, I've just gone in here and done a send email. Okay. And I just go in and I just go, right, okay, what do I want the second email to do? Okay, so let's say 1 hour from enrollment, I want to go, hi, great, you're in the course, blah, blah, blah. This is the welcome sequence, start, blah, 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 blah. Type in here, send test email, send it to yourself first, save it, make sure you set it live. Really important, you set it live. And then you've started your welcome sequence. I would also go so far to, as well, go add a tag. So what I want to do is just go, right, I want to add a tag. So here, so 000, send email, add tag. So that's my add tag one. What do I want to do? Add tag, action name, add a tag. How long do I want to do it? Well, I want to do it after so long, and what's the tag that I want to add? Okay, so I would tag them as in the course, if you haven't already set that up, and I would tag them as enrollment sequence, so that you know that they've gone through that as well. So the onboarding, if you like, whatever you welcome sequence, whatever you want to call it. So don't worry about, oh, I've got to move them from my course sequence to my other funnel sequence. You don't need to do that. Just use the automation that's already there for you. So that's Quack question number 1, which is a 1 quack question.